Salam everyone, welcome back to the Shrima online classes. Children, today we will learn maths. I welcome you all in maths class. As you know, in earlier video we have done chapter number 11, numbers. In this unit, we have done from page number 117 to page number 119. Here we are learning the numbers, that is from starting two latest number, and how do we elaborate all these numbers we are going to learn here. So if you see, come back to your book, open page number 119. Numbers from 51 to 70. So here we have two boxes here. In this box, bunches are given plus single matchstick is also given. So we have to count the bunches and matchstick also. So we have to count the matchstick and bundles also, and we have to write the numbers in the given circle. So if you see here, 51 is written. 52. How many bunches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2. So here we have to make 2 matchstick. It becomes 52. Now 53. No, a bundle should be here. So we have to make it how many bunches? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 single matchstick over there. So how you will make bunches, because there is no so much space. So what you do, you have to make a single box or a 5 square box, and in the box you have to put 10 dots. So one box include 10 dots. It is equal to one bunch. Okay. In this way you can draw the matchstick, bundles of matchstick. So in this page you have to do same way. Now that is numbers from 71 to 90. Here also, actually here bunches are given, only we have to make the single matchstick here. Suppose in 73 there is no matchstick, so we have to make 1, 2, 3 matchstick. So 7 bundles plus 3 matchstick, it goes to 73. Okay. So you have to complete up to page number 121. That is, here we have done counting from 91 to 100. Now in this page you have to write the missing numbers: 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. So what comes after 60? Yes, 61. So we have to write down 61. Then in the single boxes we have to continue with our counting. So it goes up to 100. Okay. Now children, here we have a game that is of snake and ladders. You all are well play the Ludo. So here we have snake and ladder game also in the book. So if you have Ludo dice or Ludo tablets, put it here on one, and then take a dice and start gaming play with your elders, with your brothers, sisters, with your father, mother also. Okay. So here we have done our chapter number 11. It is very easy. Complete the work up to page number 123. Okay. Take care. Sairam. Be at home. Wash your hands properly at a particular time, and also without washing your hands, don't eat anything before and after a meal. Confirmly wash your hands. Thank you. Sairam. Goodbye.